Got my first welder today. It's a Forney Model C 180 amp AC welder. It seems to work pretty good. I just did a little welding with it. 6011 rods from about I'd say about here. Maybe that's better. From about here to here, it was welding real good. It's got a little crappy over here, and it started out a little crappy over here because I had too much amperage. I was doing 120 amps here, and it welded a lot better at 110 over here. So it seems to work. The arc did cut out a couple of times. So there might be some work I got to do on the inside. It's kind of nice. It's got a couple of 110 outlets on the front here for, you know, I suppose if you're short of an extension cord, then you can just plug the grinder into there. I'll have to check that out too. You know, seems to work though. So it'll be good to have a nice old welder to get projects done with. Needs new wheels on the bottom here. They're all shot. Could use a paint job. I'm sure there's a cleaning it needs. The leads are pretty well shot, so we'll have to put some new leads on. This old thing is kind of beat up, but it worked. This one, the clamp here is a little on the small side. You know, brand new one isn't all that expensive, and then I can get a way bigger clamp that'll be better. But yeah, nice to get a little welding of my own done. Picked up a brand new chipper with the welder. Always got to have that when you're stick welding. But anyways, thank you. Bye.